New videos every day.
Hi, my name's Christen, Renee, and today I'm going to do a back of the leg massage with Corey. So I'm going to begin with my oil, warming it in my hands, and just effleuraging, smoothing it all over the back of the leg. Warming up the tissue. Warming the leg from the top to the bottom. Nice little jostle. Then I'll segment off and begin to full the upper thigh. I really admire her beautiful, fair, ivory skin. I used to prefer more tan skin, but as I've gotten older, I really see the beauty in nice, fair complexion. What do you prefer? Do you prefer more tan skin or a more ivory complexion? I think Corey wears her skin beautifully. So I'm just kind of doing some petrissage all along the middle and the sides of the thighs, just warming up the muscle, going a little deeper than the effleurage. Now I'm just going to use an open fist and kind of push upwards, overlapping my hands. You can kind of feel any adhesions breaking up when you move more slowly. And I'll come behind with some supported thumbs. Do a few passes up the thigh. Feeling the muscle fibers separate underneath my fingers. Then I'll come from the opposite direction, lift her leg, kind of let her leg relax into my hand. And start from the top again. So when I have her leg bent in a more 90-degree angle, I start at the top of her thigh, work my way down, and gently release her ankle. 3 passes. And then flush out what I just worked on. Light fingers behind the knees. As I work my way down to the calf. So I'm going to start at the top of the calf. Some overlapping thumbs just below the crevice of the knee. really envisioning what I would like to have done on myself when I'm working on another person. Next, I'll segment the calf into 2 parts. Segment the calf and work my way down. Joining together at the base near the heel. And then back to the top. I'm really enjoying this jingly little anklet she has on today. She told me that her friend brought it back to her from India, so not only is it adorable, it's also authentic. Once I've completed the calf, I'm going to come down and just do some squeezing on the calcaneus or the heel. Not forgetting the feet. Just a nice little warm up. And then I'll say goodbye to this leg and move on to the other side. So I'm going to apply my oil to the whole back of the leg. Pushing all the blood up to the heart. To be reoxygenated. Massage is a great way to just basically rehydrate your legs with blood. Just think about how far away your heart is from your toes, and you just need to sometimes it just needs some help getting some circulation down to your feet, down to your ankles, your calves, and your thighs. So I'm just doing a nice fulling motion. Just kind of pressing the leg into the table and spreading the muscle belly apart. And I'll come up through the middle, begin to petrissage the leg into 3 segments. And I'll come in with my open, supported fists. For some slow passes. And then supported thumbs. So I'm going to lift her ankle into a 90-degree angle and start with my open fist right in the middle of her thigh and then come out towards the middle as I release her ankle. And then again, a middle pass. And finally, an outside pass. And flush it out. Some light fingertips behind the knees. Some circles on the outside. And I'll say hello to the calf. I always like to try to hit the pressure point right in between the two heads of the gas drop. Even if you have a job where you stand up a lot, even just like bending down or lifting your leg up and just kind of squeezing out your calf can bring a lot of release to any leg pain you might be having. That's something I do when I'm at work. And it feels so good. It's also important when you're massaging to make sure you're using different parts of the hands. Not just the fingers, not just the thumbs, but the heels, the thumbs, the knuckles, the fingers. It's not just one part gets worn out. So again, I'm just squeezing over the calcaneus. Saying hello to the foot. And fleshing out the leg. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch some of my other massage videos with Corey and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you have a wonderful and relaxing day.